Welcome back, dear friends. Let's get back to Bitcoin. On the 4-hour chart, you have an interesting moment again. The price is approaching a powerful resistance level, and the whole chart structure hints at a potential continuation. Let's break down the key levels and possible scenarios. Bitcoin is currently trading around $97,180. This is already near resistance at $97,400, where earlier profit-taking signals were triggered and the price slowed down. Before that, saw consolidation in the $95,800 and $96,000 range. It's broken through, and now price is trying to consolidate higher. This is a good sign. The movement was on higher volumes. This indicates that our breakout is not empty and was most likely supported by institutional or large traders. Support is now forming in the zone 95,860 down to 88,620 and then $86,530. These are the zones where price previously met a buyer and formed a reversal. Stochastic has already gone into the overbought zone. This indicates a possible local stop, but in a strong trend, this indicator can overheat for a long time. It is important to watch candlestick reaction and volumes. Now let's talk about targets. If Bitcoin consolidates above 97,400, the next target is 99,000, and then 100 and 1,000 is the final target of the current wave if the momentum continues. Watch closely. A pullback in the coming hours could provide a great entry point, and an upside breakout could accelerate the upside. Now we look at Litecoin. The coin shows activity again and came close to the K resistance level. Let's see where the price can go and what zones are worth paying attention to. Right now, Litecoin is trading around $88.50 and is near the upper boundary of the $85 to $87 zone. This is the level where sellers have previously become active. We've seen pullbacks, profit taking, and price declines. But now the situation has changed. We have an ascending structure. Consecutive lows and highs have been formed, and the price is moving steadily upward from support around $76. Visually, this confirms the uptrend has a long as the structure remains, the bulls control the movement. Strong support zone are now as follows. First is $83, next is $76, and more global base is $70 flat. If buyers can break and consolidate above $90, the next target become $94.50, $96.50, and finally the upper boundary 100 and 190 hundredths, which is psychologically important level. We are looking at Ethereum on the 4-hour chart again. The price has been moving near the K resistance for a few days now, and it could end up as a sharp breakout or a hard pullback. Let's get to the bottom of what's going on. At the time of this recording, Ethereum is trading around $1,846. That's still the same float or a range between $1,815 and $1,870 that will be trading in since late April. Every attempt to go above 1,873 is met with selling. You can see it in the previous candles, shadows on top, fixing and pullbacks. And until there is a breakdown and consolidation, growth is limited. But there is a positive. After the momentum on April 23, when Ethereum shot sharply upwards, we didn't see a pullback below 1,754. this is a key support zone and buyers are defending it. Unless this zone is broken down, the structure remains bullish. If the price confidently breaks through 1,870 and consolidate above, the following targets are open at $1,990, $2,070, and then $2,100, where the sharp decline began last time. On the downside, levels are just as important. The nearest support zone is 1,754 and 1,385, which is a more global level. And if we break down, that's where we should look for a buyer.
That's all. If you like the video, click the like button. Also support my commentary. You're waiting for a lot more informative content. See you in the next video breakdowns.